Alright, I'm back. I deleted a video there and freed up a little bit more space. So I got 2 minutes here to make this. So what I found is I pulled the valve cover off, and when I would crank it over, I would get the intake valve, or the intake rocker on cylinder 6 would make 1 or 2 rotations up and down, and then it would stop. It'd be dead. It wouldn't move. But now with everything off, if I crank it over, everything moves. All the rocker arms are moving. That being is the solenoid was stuck on cylinder 6, causing constant oil pressure. So as soon as it would sit and cool down and oil would drain back, fire it up and you'd have good compression again, just for a very short amount of time. And then it would go back to 60 or 30 and lose its oil pressure or compression. So I deleted the AFM solenoids in this truck. I pulled them all out. I've seen some guys leave them in and knock out the seals. I ordered a new gasket for it here from Rock Auto. I'm gonna put the oil, the passage block cylinder in there from Crazed Performance. Really happy with his videos. Check him out. He's got a lot more information on these than I do. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. So we're gonna put it back together without the AFM solenoids, and with the lockout done on it, and hopefully that has it working properly. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a body guy. But we can dabble in other things, right? I also dabble in carpentry and other such things. But this is what I found. Hopefully it helps. And I'll give you guys an update on if this fixed my truck. Thanks.